Good afternoon. Myself, Dr. Sanjay Bhaskar, Senior Consultant Physiotherapist from Ghaziabad. Now, today's my topic is rehabilitation and physiotherapy management of COVID-19 patients. So, there is a two way for such kind of a patients. One is an active way, second is a passive way. Active way means the patient is able to do the exercises, rehabilitation exercises and physiotherapy management. Second is a patient is not able to do actively properly, so that's why we have to use some passive. Passive means using by the physiotherapist or either in a attendant huh, with the proper positioning of the patients. Before the any kind of rehabilitation program or respiratory exercises, the patient should be aware about the all kinds of exercise programs and take the steam inhalation. Steam inhalation is good for the drain the secretion and nasal congestions, and do the some huffing and coughing. By that you have to take out the secretion as well as the nasal congestion which are the accumulating in the nasal pathway or either in oral pathway. By that the patient are become in a relax in a position. So now I will be started from the active way of the rehabilitation program for the COVID-19 patients. First of all, we are starting for the general exercises. General exercise means especially for the breathing exercises. Breathing means general breathing exercise. In that manner, we have to take the breathe in. Breathe in by your nose and breathe out by your mouth. I am demonstrating here like that. And the repetition of this exercise 3 to 5 times at a time. The second is diaphragmatic or abdomen exercise. In that manner, the patient should be sit or the chair, stool or either in a bedside. Put the both the hand over the diaphragm. Then ask to the patient, take the in air by your nose and try to protrude your abdomen like this. You feel it. Then breathe out. Means once you are going to breathe out, apply a pressure over the diaphragm and try to as much as possible the maximum breath should be out. Okay dear. Now the next is blowing a balloon. Blowing a balloon. You have to take a balloon. It should be there around 3 to 4 inch length and hold the balloon and then take the air by your nose. Then blow out your mouth to the balloon. As much as possible. Is a blowing your balloon. जितना भी हो सकता है, please you have to do it. The another exercise is spirometer or respiratory exerciser. hold कर देना. Start. Now I am showing the instrument. This is a respiratory exerciser. There is a 3 balls are there, and each ball they have the capacity for the air 600, 900 and 1200, and there is a one connecting pipe and there is a mouthpiece. You have to hold the instrument up in a straight way and keep your mouthpiece in your mouth, and like this you have to. Previously you are using the inhale by your nose, but now you have to utilize by your mouth. Have you seen it? Once you are inhale, the balls are going to upwards. Right? This is a for inspiration. For expression, keep your instrument in the opposite direction. Head should be in a down and the base should be upper sides. And in this manner, now blow out. Previously you have done it blow in, now is a blow out. Blow out. During the blowout, the balls will be going to upward. So these are the another one exercise. You have to repeat this exercise 5 to 10 times. Hold. Now I am demonstrating the another one breathing exercise, which are hold and relax. Hold and relax breathing exercise. Like this, first of all, you have to take the air by your nose as much as possible. Then try to hold it. Then breathe out. I am repeating this exercise. Hold. I hope so you are seeing my chest and abdomen. These are the moving. During in, you have to hold the breath minimum 3 to 5 seconds. Minimum 3 to 5 seconds and more than it. The another exercise is breathe out. Try to breathe out as much as possible. Then hold your abdomen. The holding time should be 1 to 5 seconds. Minimum 1 to 5 seconds. Once again I am repeating. Breathe out. Then hold your abdomen. No breathe in, no breathe out. And count start 1 to 5 seconds. Then relax. This exercise should be repeated 3 to 5 times. So this was the breathing exercises for the COVID patient. Okay. Now I am going to demonstrate some upper limb and lower limb exercises, which patient can do themselves. They can sit on the bedside or either they can sit on the chair. So I am demonstrating from the bedsides. First of all, you have to keep your hand up, then ask to the patient, squeeze and relax. Squeeze and relax. Squeeze and relax. 3 to 5 times. Another one exercise, rotate your wrist clockwise and anti-clockwise. This exercise you can do one by one also, or either you can do both the hands at a time. The repetition of exercises are 3 to 5 times. Another exercise, keep your hands up as much as possible. Right? Then get it down. Once again, getting up, then get it down. This movement should be also repeat 3 to 5 times. Once you are going to keep your hand over your head movements towards, then your chest expansion are going to increase. Right? And this is going to help for respiratory expansion. Means lungs should be work properly. The another exercises are abduction. Abduction means keep your hand sidewise and try to make it up as much as possible. Then get it down. Once again, it up and get it down. These exercises are going to help for expansion as well as shoulder movements and scapular movements to the upper back. The repetition of movements are 3 to 5 times. The another one exercise is keep your hand parallel to your shoulder and try to expand your chest as much as possible. 1, 2 and 3. These exercises are going to help for stretching over the pectorals, major and minor muscles or expansion of the chest. Now I am repeating these all the exercises. First, hands up, which are going to diaphragm is upper side and increase again. Second is the sideways, your coastal are going to increase, and the third one is the horizontal abduction or identical abduction in this way. Chest are going to expand it. Right here, these are the upper limb exercise. Another one exercise you can do for lying down position for lower limbs. In the lower limbs, ask to the patient should be lie down. Then ankle movement should be dorsiflexion as well as plantar flexion. Dorsiflexion as well as plantar flexion. मतलब try to stretch your upward, then get for downward. Try for the upward, then downward. These exercises are also 3 to 5 times. The another one exercise are rotation of your ankle joints, clockwise as well as anti-clockwise. Clockwise as well as anti-clockwise. The repetition of movements is also 3 to 5 times. These are the ankle and foot exercise. Another one exercise are hip and knee bend. Then keep in state. Once again, bend and keep in state. This is also for 3 to 5 times and repeat one by one. First leg finish, then another leg is going to finish. Clear? This was the exercise hip and knee bend. The third one exercise are SLR, straight leg raising. Try to lift your leg as much as possible. With ankle should be upward. Stretch. And these are going to help for quadricep as well as hamstring stretching as well as the quadricep strengthening also. As much as possible. This is also for 3 to 5 times. First finish one leg, then finish another leg. Okay. Now the another one exercise are abduction your leg. Take your leg away from your body. Take your leg away from your body. This is also one by one. One leg finish, then another leg. The repetition of movement are 3 to 5 times. The another one exercise are breathing exercise. Hold the hip and knee are positioning in this way. Then ask to the patient try to raise your pelvic and make it a breeze. Then get it down. Once again, lift your pelvic, try to make a breeze and get it down. These exercises are known as the breathing exercise. The repetition of movements are 3 to 5 times. These are the exercises. The another one exercise are in a sitting position. Ask to the patient, they have to sit on the bed. Now, try to raise your leg with ankle upward. Don't do downward. Try to raise your ankle upward. Then get down. Once again, get it up. Then get down. Once again, get it up. then get down. Then repeat the same movements for the other leg also. Clear? The movements should be repeated 5 to 10 times. Okay. Both the legs can be do at a time. Both the legs also can do at a time. Clear? The repetition of movements are 5 to 10 times. The another one exercise are squatting over the chair or either in a stool. Ask to the patient, keep your hand parallel to your shoulder and slowly sit on the chair or either stool. Once again, stand up, then sit on the chair or either in a stool. Once again, this is squatting. These are the exercises should be repeated 5 to 10 times. The final exercise are walking. Ask to the patient, they have to walk. So, this was the physiotherapy or either rehabilitation of the COVID patient program. The repetition of these exercise twice or maximum in a thrice in a day, or each program should be in a proper way. During this exercise, in case patient are feeling the more exhausted or either breathlessness will be started, the number of repetition should be reduced. Thank you very much.